Hey guys, how it's going? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I finished this section of the wall to the garage. I'm going to show you how I did it. Here is the side section to the garage. We're going to work from the bottom. I have a special technique. I'm going to share some tips with you guys of how I found my pattern and some easily DIY tips as we go along. But if you're new here, please click the subscribe button for more upcoming video like this one, and click the notification bell as well, so when I upload new video you get notified. Guys, we're gonna put a 45 nail at the corner. I think that's the name, the right name. Later on, so you see I have a medium, a small. This is the small, medium, big. I got the fire, medium, small. Huh? Yeah, just need to fill in a little bit of mass and that's it. No, you don't need to cut it, just measure and find it, it's there. One of this level, it's good. For all this little tight spot, perfect guy to have in hand. Yeah, so now I put a medium here. So this line, this straight line not supposed to be more than 4 feet. Okay. After you reach 4 feet, you need to put a stone right there to break it. Why? Because that's the rule. The rule is not to go more than 4 feet long. Okay, that's why you put the small again. Right, so now I'm going to go straight. So I'm going to put another medium here, but because the length is 4 feet, so I can go with a straight line. Okay. But if it's more than 4 feet, the law is not to, the rule is not to pass over 4 feet. Some guy do it. Cut in a stone with your hammer. Basically you tap the mark one time. Huh? Pardon me? Yeah, you need the wall. Now we gotta check our straightness. Go all the way over here. Give it a hold to the wall. Go all the way to the end of our stone. Make sure lines up straight and nice.
It is.
Can you check to see if the back is full charge? You don't want to find up like tilt up in the air now.